Today we take a look at the VEVOR folding wagon cart. Huh. So it is nice to see that it actually comes mostly assembled, not fully assembled. Wow, there's just a little pouch in the middle, you pull that up, and the whole thing squeezes down. That is very nice. That's surprisingly nice. So we got instructions on the inside, and we've got a little bungee cord. So if we know we're going to be going for a bumpy ride, we can strap in our cargo. Very nice to have that. So we got a couple of cargo nets here on the front. This thing is very light too. And we got a big pouch on the back. The wheels in the back are straight, and the wheels in the front do rotate, which is great because that means we're not going to be fighting this thing. I also like to see that these aren't tiny little casters. So these are 5-inch wheels. So that's going to make going over like rough terrain and that kind of thing a lot easier. It's also rubber coated, so it's not just plastic. So in the front, we got a little lever. If we pull that to the side, we can extend this out. And then we can lock that back in place. And it looks like it, yep. It also unclips there, so you can drag this around more like a regular wagon. The wheels do not articulate with that handle, so it is simply just to have it pulled straight forward. So that's going to be a lot more for just making sure that we're not bending this thing as we're pulling it. So if you got to pull it uphill, anything like that, then you want to have that thing pulled forward. Yeah, very nice design. On the inside, we can see that this is fully enclosed, so we don't have to worry about anything dropping out, so this just pulls up when it squeezes in. But if we have to put a lot of little tiny objects, we don't have to worry about it because there is no slot in there for that to happen. The thing I think I'm most impressed about with this is just how quick and easy it is to deploy this. And for what I'm going to be doing, this is going to be perfect because I can take this thing, throw it in the back of my truck, and then I can take all my boxes and stuff, throw it on here because this has a weight capacity. We've got a couple of different models here. This one is the 5-inch wheel one, so I assume that is the W11. So that is 220 pounds. So that is quite a bit for such a small little wagon. I can just wheel that thing around. I don't have to be breaking my back anymore. So this thing, with as light and compact as I can make this, this is going to be absolutely perfect for what I'm going to be using it for. Yeah, that is so much nicer. Let's see how we do on a bump. Yeah, no issue. There we go. Pretty cool. Has a nice little wagon.